Course 2, WordPress. Now that we've configured our computer, set up our FTP program, and have looked through the cPanel, it's time to build our first website. This course will take you from creating a database all the way to installing and managing themes and plugins and continue on into e-commerce. The first step is to create our website's database. First, log back into your cPanel at www.yourdomain.com/cPanel. Once logged in, click the MySQL Databases icon under the Database section. In the New Database field, type a name for your database. Click Create Database. Once the database has been created, click the Go Back button. The new database will appear in the current databases table. For this tutorial, we're going to name our database WordPress Win. You can call your database anything you'd like. Now, we need to create a database user that WordPress can use to log in to use our database and make changes. To create a new user account, under Add New User, enter in a username. Enter a password into the password field. For help generating a strong password, click the Password Generator button. Retype the password in the Password Again field. Click Create User. For this tutorial, I'll be calling my user dflywin. Please note, the majority of shared hosts, which is many users' websites hosted on the same machine, cPanel will automatically append your username to the database name and user. This makes sure that users with similarly named databases and database users don't overwrite each other. So for this guide, we called our database WordPress Win and our user dflywin. Our hosting account username is Dragon. So the full database name will be dragon_WordPress Win. Our full database username will be dragon_dflywin. This is important as during the installation of WordPress, it will ask us for our database and username. You will need to enter in the full username and full name of your database in order for WordPress to connect to it. Your database name will be cPanel username_database name, and your database user will be cPanel username_username. If you have any questions, please contact support. Now that we've created a database and its user, we have to give our user permission to access our database. To define a user's privileges, under Add User to Database, select a user from the User drop-down menu. From the Database drop-down menu, select the database to which you wish to allow the user access. Click Add. On the next page, which is the MySQL Account Maintenance screen, select All Privileges. Click Make Changes. If everything went as it should, you should see a confirmation dialog showing your username was added to your database. Please take note of the full database username and full database name, as we'll need them later in this tutorial.